Hello, my dear students. Welcome to your Maths online class. Children, we have started a new chapter, chapter number 3, Factors and Multiples in our syllabus of T2. And in the previous video, we studied about factors. Now, to find out the factors easily, today we are going to study divisibility tests of various numbers. Let's start from the divisibility test of 2. Any number that has 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 at its units place is divisible by 2. किसी भी नंबर के यूनिट्स प्लेस पे यानी कि लास्ट प्लेस पे अगर 0, 2, 4 या 6 या फिर 8 होता है तो वो डिजिट 2 से डिविजिबल होती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 26. See, there is 6 in units place at 26, so it will be divisible by 2. Similarly, in 78, 8 is there at units place. Then in 10, 0 is there at units place, and in 50 again 0 is there at units place. So all these digits are divisible by 2. Next, divisibility test by 3. To find if a number is divisible by 3 or not without dividing it completely, we can find it out just by looking at it. How, children? See, what you have to do, you will take out the sum of the digits of the number. जो भी नंबर आपको दिया हुआ है आप उनकी सारी डिजिट्स को सम कर लोगे, ऐड कर लोगे और फिर उनको ऐड करने के बाद में जो भी नंबर आएगा you will check whether this number is divisible by 3 or not. If the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, then the full number will be divisible by 3. For example, 75. See, 7 plus 5, 12. 12 is divisible by 3. 12, 3 4s are 12. So, 75 will also be divisible by 3. Similarly, 27, 2 plus 7, 9. And 9 is divisible by 3. So, 27 is also divisible by 3. Similarly, in 48, 4 plus 8, 12. 12 is divisible by 3. So, 48 is also divisible by 3. Next, divisibility test by 4. To find if a number is divisible by 4, we see the last two digits of the given number. If the number formed by last two digits is divisible by 4, then the full number will be divisible by 4. For example, 75,864. Children, we will just see the last two digits, 64. So, 64 is divisible by 4 or not? We will see. Dividing 64 by 4 and we find 16 as the quotient, leaving 0 as the remainder. That means because 64 is divisible by 4, so full number will be divisible by 4. In 1508, see the last two numbers, last two digits in this number is 0 and 8. So 0 we will not take, we will just take 8, and 8 we know 4 2s are 8. So the full number 1508 will be divisible by 4. Next is divisibility test by 5. It is very simple. Children, if you see 0 or 5 at the units place of a number, the number will be divisible by 5. Only those numbers are divisible by 5 which have 0 or 5 at its units place. Okay. For example, 765. See, 5 is there at the units place. Then 87,690. 0 is there at the units place. So both the numbers are divisible by 5. Moving towards the divisibility test of 6. If the number is divisible by both 2 and 3, अगर एक नंबर 2 और 3 दोनों से ही डिविजिबल हो जाता है without leaving the remainder 0, then the number will be divisible by 6 also. For example, 36. See, 36 is divisible by 2 because 6 is there at the units place, and 6 plus 3, 9. It is also divisible by 3 because 9, the sum of the digits, is divisible by 3. So 36 is divisible by 2 and 3 both, so it will also be divisible by 6. Similarly, 78 and 108 also, because they are both divisible by 2 and 3, so will be divisible by 6 also. Next is the divisibility test of 8. See, children, as in the divisibility test of 4, we see the number formed by last two digits is divisible by 4 or not. In the divisibility test of 8, we see the number formed by last three digits is divisible by 8 or not. If the number formed by last three digits is divisible by 8, then the full number will be divisible by 8. example, in 2176, we will see the number formed by last three digits. 176, as it is completely divisible by 8, leaving the remainder 0. So the full number will also be divisible by 8. In 5088, the last three digits are 088. The number formed by last three digits, it's 088. So we will not consider 0. 0 in the starting of a number has no value. So we will see 88 is divisible by 8 or not, as 88 is completely divisible by 8. So the full number 5088 will be divisible by 8. Next, the divisibility test of 9. It is also similar to the divisibility test of 3. As in the divisibility test of 3, we do the sum of digits and check whether the sum of digits is divisible by 3 or not. Similarly, we do in the divisibility test of 9. We make the sum of the digits and we check it whether the sum of the digits is divisible by 9 or not. If the sum of the digits is divisible by 9, then the full number will be divisible by 9. In 6543, let us add the digits. 6 plus 5, 11, 11 plus 4, 15, 15 plus 3, 18. Now as we know that 9 twos are 18, so 18 is divisible by 9. The full number 6543 will also be divisible by 9. Similarly, in 2133, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 3 plus 3 will be 9. We know 9 ones are 9. So the full number 2133 will be divisible by 9. Next is the very simple divisibility test of 10. Any number having 0 at its units place will be divisible by 10. For example, 34,870, the units place is 0, so the full number will be divisible by 10. Similarly, in 1 lakh, the units place is 0, so 1 lakh is also divisible by 10.
Children, let's see the divisibility test of 11. If the difference of the sum at even places and odd places is either 0 or a multiple of 11, the full number will be divisible by 11. Let's see how this is applicable to a number. See what I have told you, the difference of the sum of the digits. Difference निकालना है आपको किसका? Sum of the digits at even places and odd places. तो हम कैसे निकालेंगे? तभी निकालेंगे ना when we will see the digits at even and odd places. So first of all we will see the digits at even places. Even places पे कौन कौन सी digits हैं? 3, 6, 2. Okay? 3, 6 and 2. Let us add them. 3 plus 6 plus 2. What will we get? 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. Then the digits at odd places. 4, 8 and 7. 8 plus 4 plus 3 plus 7. Let us add them. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 3, 15. 15 plus 7, 22. Now the sum that we have received is odd places का 22 and even places का 11. And what we have to find? We have to find the difference. हमें इनका difference निकालना है. तो जो भी digit बड़ी है उसमें से छोटी वाली को माइनस कर देंगे. That means जो भी sum इनमें से बड़ा है उसमें से छोटे वाली को हम subtract कर देंगे. 22 minus 11, 11. What did we get? We got a multiple of 11. हमें 11 का ही एक multiple मिला है. 11 1 से 11. So because we have received the difference as a multiple of 11, the full number will be divisible by 11.
Next, let's see the divisibility test by 25. If the number formed by last two digits of a number is divisible by 25, then the full number is divisible by 25. अगर किसी भी नंबर की लास्ट टू डिजिट से बना हुआ नंबर 25 से डिविजिबल है तो पूरा नंबर 25 से डिविजिबल होगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 5,36,750. See children, the number formed by last two digits is 50. We know 25 twos are 50, 25 5 ones are 25, 25 twos are 50, 25 threes are 75. Okay, तो आपको सिर्फ 25, 50 और 75 ही देखना है. किसी भी नंबर के यूनिट प्लेस पर 25, 50 या 75 आता है तो वो पूरा नंबर 25 से डिविजिबल होगा. Children, these were the all main divisibility tests in your syllabus, and with the help of them you can easily find the factors of any number. Now in our next video we will be covering how to find the factors of a number. Till then, keep practicing. Have a good day.